using yum to install packages for my user only. I would like to be able to install packages by using a package manager. Yum is available on my server, but I don't have root access. I don't technically need root access. I just want the packages to be installed in my home directory. Is there any way I can do this?
As Ignacio points out, you can use Yum Downloader. But for the second step, or is probably easier. If the RPM has any scripts that assume they are running as root, you might also need to add the no scripts option. Plus you can add the aid option to resolve dependencies. Yet another useful options in this case is root to avoid RPM to write to /var path, since you're not root, so the command will be something like
not using Yum. You can use Yum Downloader though, and then put the packages through rpm2 cpio.cpio id in order to extract their contents, and then place the files in the appropriate locations.